Tan ko po kagabi yung kamerang to. Sobrang laki. It's almost 5 p.m. So, cut. Are you ready to fight? Guys, Nasa trabaho naman po talaga kami na maayos. Ay, charis. Hello mga ka-Frannies! Casey here. It's our day 8 here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And today, it's already December 4. Hindi pa sure. It's currently 3:49 in the afternoon. And now, we are currently at War Remnants Museum. Yes. And by the way guys, before we start, nakalimutan ko po kagabi yung kamerang to sa Little Hanoi. Kaya hindi na ako nakapagpaalam kagabi. Hindi na ako nakapag outro kasi nga naiwan ko after kami kumain ni Kay tsaka mag-coffee doon. But anyway, tatawagan ko sila, sobrang nila, bait. Nakita nila yung kamerang to, tinago nila, and it's safe. So thank you so much Little Hanoi for doing that. By the way, so guys, we will gonna tour you here in War Museum. Isa to sa mga, so far for me, sa experience ko, isa to sa mga pinaka-the best museum wherein nangyak-yak ako dahil sa history nila, dahil sa mga nangyari sa kanila, and kung paano sila umahon. Umahon? Naka-recover pala. Sorry. Anyway, this is one of their planes. Ayan. Actually guys, ngayon, nagre-repaint sila. Ayun. I just knew na nire-repaint pala nila tong mga yung mga tanks. Ayan, yung mga planes and everything. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's go. Let's explore the War Museum.
So talagang real to na ginagawa?
Yes, it is. Nire-repaint ka talaga nila, no? Pinapaganda pala nila, yan. Akala ko kasi dati yun na yun. Tapos na ako, sobrang tagal na nito, tapos ganyan pa rin yung mukha niya. Anyway, let's go inside. is the notorious Cells and Condal Prison. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Grabe. Ito yung ano nila dati. Like, parang ganito daw talaga guys sa actual, no? Yung nangyari before. Ganito yung talaga yung mukha niya. And, kung paano nila pineso yung mga tao before. Ayan. Tignan natin dito. Ayan. Tulad niyan. Ayan. And then, on the other side, ito yung ayan. Ito yung nakita natin sa video kanina. Ayan siya sa and I think pwede tayong umakyat sa taas. Tignan natin kung ano yung meron doon. Ganyan pa rin siya. Parang ganito yung mukha niya dati. I think. Ganyan. Parang 3D siya. And then, dyan sila nagsasaboy dun sa baba. Then, ito yung parang pinagkukulungan sa kanila dati. Diyos ko, tapos hindi lang isa, dalawa taong groups daw eh. Kinakulong dyan, no? And then, we can try to check what is inside. Oh my gosh. Ito yung pinaka first time kong nakita to sa actual talaga. Akala ko sa movie ko lang ito makikita. Alam mo yung ginagamit para pamputol ng ulo. Yan o. Ayan.
Ano to?
Alam mo. Ayan guys. Oo. Tapos dyan nilalagay yung ano ulo. My gosh. Yun guys, oh. So, yun talaga yung ginamit nila. Ito talaga siya yung actual niya na ginamit dati. Putol na mga ulo. Ayan. Okay, so, we're done dun sa side na yun. Parang andun yung lahat, sa left side, lahat ng mga pinakita ko sa inyo. And then this time, papasok tayo sa loob. Dito naman sa loob guys, may mga binibenta sila mga souvenirs. I think there's more. It's like third floor pa to eh. Ayan, may mga souvenirs dito, then sa kabila. And then more information about their history. And andito yung stairs sa right side. I don't think, may elevator pala dun banda sa likod, no? If you want elevator. But most of people gumagamit ng hagdanan. Alright guys, so unfortunately hindi na tayo makakaakyat sa taas. Bali assignment natin yun para may rason tayong bumalik dito. It's already almost 5 p.m. and we are planning to visit Fine Arts Museum. So, pupunta muna tayo doon and then the other, like, second and third floor will be our assignment next year. But yeah, we are going to Fine Arts Museum. We'll see you there. Hello guys, so we actually already here at the Fine Arts Museum. Unfortunately, it's almost 5 p.m. So, cut 5 p.m. Hindi na pwedeng pumasok. But that's okay. Malapit lang pala siya sa Benton Market, no? As in, dito lang. Sa tapat. So, pwede nating puntahan to or balikan tomorrow. For now, mag-iikot-ikot na lang tayo. Papa-experience natin sa friend natin yung Benton Market. Are you ready? To fight? Let's go. Guys, bumili kami ng parang lugaw nila. Ayan. And it's only 20,000. Tamis daw. Tikman natin. Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Yan.
Wow. Sarap. Gusto mga person. But for only 20,000. Sobrang dami ng ano. Tamo. Mabaing ene. Sobrang dami ng ano, ah. Tignan nyo. Dami.
Namit git. Oo, parang sausage, no?
Ang sarap siya.
Well, sausage to?
Hindi.
Parang bituka eh.
Bituka. Pero masarap. Try mo. How is it? Nam ko yung mukhang yan. Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hotiki Market or Flower Market. Kasama din dito yung mga seafood, mga street food. So, ayan, tingnan nyo naman. Nandito yung mga magagandang market. Ay, flowers pala. Ito yung pinakamagandang flower market so far ha, sa pagkakaalam ko. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. Tutor kayo namin. Ayan guys, look at that! Ang ganda! Dito nang titira si Kay. Right? Ang ganda! Alam nyo?
Pero ang ganda pa rin.
Tignan natin. How much? Korean 20. Thank you. Oo. Pero look at that. Sa atin may ano na to, 5,000. Oh, pak. Oh my gosh, look at that. How much?
Bao nhiêu?
200?
Lấy cái điện thoại coi chị ơi.
Look at
Cái
that.
điện thoại bà mua.
Alam nyo ba guys, pag bumili kayo ng flowers dito, for example, yung katulad sa amin, parang 5 days na, nagbo-bloom siya. Hindi siya yung namamatay. Nagbo-bloom pa siya. Tingnan yung ganda. Wow. The arrangement. Ang ganda. Hello. Guys, that's only 200.
Clear pa yung nakalagay yun.
Oh, yan, 200,000 Vietnamese dong. So parang nasa 450 to 500 lang siya. Wow. The one, the black, yeah. Yun yung malaki, guys. 250? Oh, 600. Oh, 600. Nasa 1, 2. Pero guys, sobrang laki niya. Ito.
Mura nga flower sa kanila. Sobrang mura ng flower.
Alam mo yung binibigay sa mga artista na pang ano, balls na nila, Star Magic Ball. Ganon siya kalaki. And this one is only for 200. Bayan na.
Ano na? Bili ka?
This sunflower na bouquet is only for 150 Vietnamese dong. So parang nasa, my gosh, thank you. Nasa 300 pesos lang. Same lang din sila dito, oh. Ayan. Guys, sobrang mura. Pero hindi joke yung arrangement. My gosh. Ang ganda. Ella Vietnam. Okay, so ngayon papunta tayo sa street food naman nila or seafood market. So from the flower market, papasok lang kayo para anywhere na parang iskinita sa right side nyo. Pasok lang kayo doon. And then yung tagusan nyo is these. Yeah, look at that. Boom. And then on the other side, ganun din. So, magsi-seafood hopping kami ni Kay. Kasi gusto niya tikman yung lobster dito. Ayan. Wow. Ayan. Ayan. May mga barbecue din sila. Ayan. Look at that. Nasa 10,000. So, first budol, it's bone marrow, grilled bone marrow. That is for 100,000 Vietnamese dong. Ayan. 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 Ganda, oh. Wow. And then,
Kusina si ate.
ayan, ang ganda. Oh, may mga gamis-gamis. Mga mahilig dyan sa sweets. Ayan. Ayan guys, we are waiting for our drinks. Kay bought a shake mango and shake avocado. Andito kami nakaupo sa street. And by the way guys, the Hotiki or flower market and seafood or street market is located at District 10. Pero guys, ang bilis lang ng biyahe namin. Galing kami sa galing kami sa Bentan eh. Bentan is located at Q1. And yes, and Hotiki is located at Q10. Pero yung biyahe namin parang 20 minutes lang. Traffic pa yun diba? So yes, malapit lang siya guys. And ang ganda ngayon, it's Thursday. Hindi siya masyadong matao.
Mainit yun.
Oo, pack. And tignan nyo, ayan. Okay pa siya. And it's already almost 6:30 p.m. Pero okay lang, hindi siya matao. I think I would suggest you guys to visit street food and flower market around this time, like 5, 6, 7, ganon for dinner. Para hindi siya mainit. And siguro weekdays, kasi hindi siya matao. Yeah, so after this, mag-explore kami ng seafood because we are going to eat lobster and crab and oyster. I don't know. But yeah, let's see. Hello, ba't na ako? Man guys, oh. Ayan, dyan namin binili yan. We ate here last year.
I know, I fancy
Ayan.
Here, I like.
Yung nila, oyster guys, is 50,000 for 12 pieces.
Yeah, you want this big size, and you want this size and that size, three size. You get that one.
mag-decide lang.
How much?
This one 1,800,000.
1,800,000.
And this one for 2 kilo and 700 gram.
How much?
This one 2,500,000.
2,500,000. This one is 1,800,000.
1,800,000.
But you'll give me discount, right?
Because you are come back.
Maganda, because you are...
Mahal din kita.
Oh, mahal din kita.
Yeah, they going.
How much?
This one 2,200,000 between size. 1,800,000.
Ayan yung mga prices nila, guys.
And 500 also for baby size.
And then, kasama na yung paluto. So,
This one.
yeah, kakain muna kami ni Kay. Oh my God! What's that? Ano yung mukha niya?
这个有啦。这个有后两个那个活的。
Kakain niya?
这个是煮。
Alright, so guys, kakain muna kami ni Kay and we'll see you later. Guys, we bought this big, what was it called?
That is the
Brown crab?
Yes.
Brown crab binigay niya sa akin ng 450 Vietnamese dong. Wow, look at that. Guys, yung original price niya is 550.
550.
So, binigyan niya tayo ng discount. Naalala niya pa ako. So, binigyan tayo ng discount ng 100,000. And then, yung lobster is 1.8 pero binigay niya na sa amin 1.6.
Yes. Nữa con hát nữa.
And then, also, we bought
Được.
a shrimp. Hindi ko tawag anong lukon. Dalawa nito. Yung isa 100. So, yeah, isa-isa lang. And then, yung big oyster. This is for 300 for 10 pieces. And then, free na yung paluto dun, guys. So, yeah. See it? Guys, binigay niyan ng may-ari. Sobrang friendly niya. Yung may-ari. Hey! Maganda! Can you say hi?
Hi! Mahaling kita!
Thank you.
Ayan. Visit kayo.
Very big for you. Can you feel? One baht. Because outside making a broth and then inside a chop and you smelling better. Yeah.
Thank you!
Okay. I'm sorry, I can't make it.
Mukbang malalakas.
What did you say, honey?
Alright guys, so let's go. Let's start to eat. Let's break it down. Thank you, Lord. Eat. Let's go. Eat. Kain. Kain. Kain.
Okay. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Do you want rice? Thank you. Do you have plain? Guys, cheers. Alright guys, so nakabalik na kami sa Airbnb and di na ako naka-video kanina kasi nalobat na po talaga yung camera natin. So, kinuha lang natin to from Little Hanoi, so sobrang drain niya na. But anyway, that's okay. We had so much fun at Hotiki Flower Market, Street Food Market, that is located at Kwan 10 or District 10. And yeah, sobrang sarap ng mga seafoods na in-order namin ni Kay. Reward namin you guys sa sarili namin kasi nagtatrabaho naman po talaga kami ng maayos. Ay, charis. Anyway, yes, that's it. And then we had coconut ice cream for our dessert. That is only for 30,000 Vietnamese dong. And yeah, I think tomorrow makakapunta tayo sa mas marami pang. Medyo marami pa yung itinerary namin ni Kay, no? Uuwi na kami on Sunday, that is December 7. So, gagawin namin yung lahat bukas kasi naka-day off na ako, naka-day off, or naka-leave na din si Kay. So, we have a lot of time for tomorrow and on Saturday. And I think that concludes our day 8 here in Ho Chi Minh City. Thank you guys sa pagsama and I hope you enjoy. Nag-enjoy kayo and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good night. Ciao!